In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write in Affinity Photo. Before we start, have your image or a blank canvas open so you can see exactly where your text will go. Begin by locating the text tool on the left toolbar, the icon that looks like a capital T. That's your gateway to adding words to your design. Affinity Photo offers two flavors of text: artistic text, great for titles and short labels, and frame text, ideal for longer paragraphs. Either way, you'll access them from that same T icon. With the text tool active, click directly on your image where you want the text to appear. A blinking cursor shows you're ready to type. If you need a defined area for copy, click and drag to draw a text box. The text will wrap to the shape of that box. Type your words, and if you don't see them, check that your text color isn't the same as your background. You can reposition text at any time by switching to the Move tool and dragging the layer around the canvas. Now refine the look. Use the options along the top called the Context toolbar to change font family, style, size, alignment, and spacing. This is where you scale up a headline or dial in a clean, readable body size. For precise control, open the character and paragraph panels to adjust tracking, leading, and indents. Change the text color from the color picker, and if you need a quick resize, drag the text corner handles, hold Shift to scale proportionally. As you work, remember that every piece of text lives on its own layer, so it stays editable. You can always double-click with the text tool to make changes later. That's all you need to confidently write in Affinity Photo.